Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to PassFab channel. Forgot your iPhone passcode and now you're locked out of your device? Whether your iPhone is showing iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or you're using the latest iOS 27 and can't access your device, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through 3 proven methods to unlock your iPhone without the password. Let's get started. Method 1. Unlock iPhone using forgot passcode. If you still remember your Apple account password, this is the easiest official method. On iOS 27, after entering the wrong passcode several times, your iPhone will eventually display the forgot passcode option. Tap it, then choose Start iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple account password to sign out. Confirm that you want to erase the device. Your iPhone will reset itself automatically. Once the process finishes, you can set it up again and restore your data from an iCloud or computer backup if you have one. Keep in mind that this method completely erases the device, so anything not backed up will be lost. Method 2. Restore iPhone with recovery mode. If your phone doesn't have a forgot password option, recovery mode is the next official solution. In iOS 27, before entering recovery mode, you must first navigate to the Restore Your iPhone screen. As with previous versions, use the volume and power buttons to restart the device and enter the restore screen. Then select recovery mode and restart the device. Once completed, open Finder on your Mac or open iTunes on Windows. Your computer will detect the iPhone and give you the option to restore. The latest compatible iOS firmware will be downloaded and installed automatically. After the restore is complete, you can activate your iPhone using your Apple account. Just remember that this method also erases all data on the device. Apple's security system doesn't allow removing a forgotten passcode while keeping your data. Recovery mode is Apple's official solution, but it doesn't always work smoothly. Many users may run into iTunes errors, firmware issues, or connection problems during the restore process. If you want a more stable and straightforward way to unlock your iPhone, the next method is a better option. Method 3. Unlock iPhone with PassFab. If iTunes or Finder isn't working properly, your computer can't recognize the device, or you simply want a simpler process, then PassFab iPhone Unlock is an excellent alternative. You can download it for free from the link in the video description. Launch it on your computer. Connect your locked iPhone. Select Unlock iOS screen and follow the on-screen instructions. The software will automatically detect your device and download the appropriate firmware package. Once it's ready, click Start Remove. Wait a few minutes while PassFab removes the passcode automatically. After the process finishes, your iPhone will restart like a brand new device. You can then complete the setup and restore your backup if available. So those are the 3 best ways to unlock an iPhone without a password on iOS 27. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.